Hi guys, welcome to today's practice. It's a gentle beginner flow, so it's perfect if you've been off the mat for a while or if this is your first time on the mat. We're going to get into some gentle movements to rejuvenate and stretch our bodies. Remember to listen to your body throughout the practice, and if there's anything that hurts, don't do it. Let yourself practice safely. One of the intentions with yoga is to allow the energy in our body to move freely without blockages. This happens by opening and balancing our chakras, which are energy centers. I've created a free chakra balancing meditation for you to restore your full health, vitality, and well-being. Click the link in the description to download your free chakra balancing meditation. So grab a bottle of water, a yoga mat, and let's find a comfortable seat. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Inhale, raise the arms up towards the sky, and exhale, twist towards the right. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, deepen into the twist. This stretch is great to help with our digestive system. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist towards the left. Inhale to lengthen the spine, and exhale, deepen into the twist. Really allowing the solar plexus to be activated and awakened. That's the chakra for your inner power, inner fire, confidence. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, palms down to the knees. Take a deep inhale and exhale to lower the head and curve the back. Inhale to raise the chin and arch the spine forward. Seated cat-cow. Following your breath here, inhale looking up and opening the chest. Exhale looking down and pressing the navel into the spine. And when you're ready, come to stand at the front of your mat. Feet hip-width apart, grounding your weight down through the four corners of your feet, raising the arches. Engage your calves, your lower legs, engage your thighs, bring your navel into your spine, raise your chest, standing solid as a mountain in mountain pose or Tadasana. Inhale, raise the arms up, palms together. Exhale, lean towards the right. Inhale to lengthen the spine and exhale to deepen into the stretch. Opening the heart here, creating space for energy to flow around the heart. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lean towards the left. Inhale to lengthen the spine and exhale to deepen into the stretch. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, step your left leg back, crescent lunge. Keep your back leg strong and engaged here. Draw the energy through the back of your heel. Front knee over the front heel, and raise your arms and shoulder blades up towards the sky, rotating your armpits towards your face. On your next breath, bring the back of the heel down, pointing your back toes towards the side of your mat, arms at shoulder height. Bend your front leg, aligning your knee over your heel. Warrior 2. Keep your back leg engaged and take a deep breath here. On your next breath, bring your right elbow down to your thigh and your left arm overhead, making a straight line from the tip of your fingers down to your back leg. Inhale, bring your left arm down and your right arm up towards the sky. Reverse warrior. On your next breath, coming back to Warrior 2, keeping that back leg strong. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. On your next breath, step your back leg forward, coming to the top of your mat, and ground down the four corners of the feet. Draw the navel into the spine and sit back into Utkatasana, chair pose. Raise the arms and shoulder blades up towards the sky, rotating the armpits towards the face. In this pose, we look a bit like a lightning bolt, harnessing our inner power, drawing in power from the sky and the earth, creating energy within our bodies. Allowing the energy to flow from the tips of your fingers down to the base of your feet. And on your next breath, step your left leg back, crescent lunge. Lift the arms up, rotating the armpits towards the face. On your next breath, bring the back heel down and come to warrior two. Arms parallel to the ground, shoulders relaxed. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. On your next breath, glide the torso forward, bring the right arm up and rest the left arm on the leg. Keep the back leg strong and engaged, and keep the abs engaged here too. On your next inhale, bring the right arm down and the left arm raises up to the sky. Remembering to breathe here. And on your next exhale, bring both arms parallel to the ground, back in warrior two. Step your feet back to the front of your mat. Grounding down through the four corners of your feet. Engage your calves, engage your thighs, bring the navel to the spine, lift the chest. Allow your weight to come into your left leg as you bring the sole of your right foot either to your ankle or to the lower leg or up to the inner thigh. Make sure not to place your foot on your knee here. And as you're standing in tree pose, press your left leg into the right foot. This helps to protect the joints. If you'd like an extra challenge, you can raise your arms up to the sky, separating the hands and letting your tree blow in the wind. When you're ready, come out of the pose and shake the legs out. Grounding down now through the right leg, keeping it engaged and strong. Lift the left foot to either come to the ankle, the lower leg, or the inner thigh. Press the right leg into the left foot, keeping the joints protected. Bring the hands into prayer position at the heart. And if you want more of a challenge, raise the arms to the sky, letting your tree blow in the breeze. Remember to breathe. And when you're ready, come out of the pose, shake out your legs. Come to sit in butterfly, bringing the soles of your feet together. You can massage out the base of your feet a bit here. Foot massages help our overall health in so many ways, so give your feet some love. Take a deep inhale, lengthening the spine, and exhale, bend forward at the hips. Take a few breaths here. On your next inhale, raise your head up and come to sit lengthwise on your mat, lifting the left foot and bringing the ankle over the right knee. And if you'd like, you can roll onto your back, flexing both feet and hugging your hands around your right leg. Take a few breaths here. And on your next breath, switch sides, bringing your right ankle over your left knee, flexing both feet and hugging your left leg in your hands. On your next breath, uncross your legs, bring both knees into your chest, hug your legs, and rock side to side, massaging the lower back. And when you're ready, come to lay down on your mat, palms towards the sky in Shavasana. Thanking yourself here for taking the time to connect with your breath, your body, and your health today. allowing all that energy that was moved around and created in the body to create space for health and overall well-being. Allowing the oxygen in every breath to move to every cell of your body, restoring full health and vitality. It's a gift that we're on planet Earth experiencing this life. Bring this energy with you throughout the rest of your day or night. Begin gently moving the fingers and toes, and when you're ready, roll over to one side and gently press yourself into a seated position, comfortably at the top of your mat. Thank you for being here and for shining your light into this world. The light in me sees the light in you. Namaste. May you be happy, healthy, and free.